2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9, and 9 divided by 9 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have division, multiplication and addition operators present, but we also have parentheses present. And according to the rules, parentheses have highest priority. So let's solve what we have inside parentheses. We have 2 plus 1, which gives us 3. Our expression simplifies to 9 divided by 3 times 3. Now we have division and multiplication operators present here. And multiplication and division have same level of priority, but we must work from left to right. So we must solve this division first. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3. And we are now left with 3 times 3, which equals 9, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.